After the United States government announced at the end of January that it would temporarily refuse the entry of foreign nationals who had recently travelled within China, Italy's government suspended direct flights to and from China. Thank you. Thank you, the delegate of Spain. Delegate of Spain.
The delegate of Spain would like to speak on COVID-19 has thrown up unprecedented challenges and put the lives of billions of people at risk. The COVID-19 pandemic in Spain is a part of the pandemic of coronavirus disease 2019, caused by severe acute respiratory coronavirus 2. The socio-economic, political and general challenges were faced by the citizens of Spain. The human relations are cut down due to sudden lockdown imposed by the government to prevent the spread of this virus. On 13th March, the first death on extreme Madeira was reported. On 12th March, most of the autonomous communities shut down their school systems, leaving more than 10 million students at home. On 15th March, the national lockdown due to the state of alarm becomes more effective lockdown restrictions also mandated, including such kind of the first death of healthcare worker in the country is reported. To prevent the spread of the COVID-19, the government of Spain declared nationwide state of alarm during this period. On 28 March, Spain exceeds 1,000 deaths. On the 23rd, the Spanish army found 88 people abandoned inside retirement home. Even 5,400 medical professions have been tested positive for coronavirus. COVID-19 has touched every category of individual, normal citizens. From 30th April to 1st May, the government of Spain lifted some restrictions. On 25th October, the government reported a state of emergency across the country. On 21st October, Spain 1 million COVID cases, the first country in the Western Europe to do so. On 25th October, government reinforced state of emergency from 1st October to till now. In conclude, with the above unprecedented challenges and the way of COVID-19 put the lives of billions of people at risk, like unemployment, problems due to lockdown, industrial output decrease, shortage of medical service and medicines, essential communities become scarce, students lost their academic efficiency, GDP has reduced considerably, many people lost their lives, lost job due to closure of companies. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, the delegate of Spain. Delegate of Cuba.
The delegate of Cuba. The delegate of Cuba. Cuba has several advantages over many states, including free universal health care, the world's highest ratio of doctors to population, and positive health care indicators, such as high life expectancy and low infant mortality. Many of its doctors have volunteered around the world, building up and supporting other countries. Health system will gaining experience in emergencies, a highly educated population and advanced medical research industries, including 3 laboratories equipped and staffed to run virus tests. The further strength, however, COVID-19 presents difference Cuba's lack of resources, which hampers recovery from disaster. Also contribute a housing shortage that makes physical distancing difficult, and the island proved infrastructure logistically challenges. Also, the pandemic came at a particularly difficult time, as tighter US sanitations have sharply cut earnings from tourism and other services. The Cuba's reaction to coronavirus threat was swift. A prevention and control plan prepared in January 2020, including training medical staff, preparing medical